In this final lesson on adjustment layers, I just want to give you another quick tip for sharing your local adjustments with other files. So I have this image from the previous lesson as well as a new image. So let's say I do some edits on a particular image and I create this killer black and white adjustment, and I want to add that adjustment to other images as well. Well, there's a couple ways that you can do that. One, you can go in and create an action that will record the settings that you're applying via that adjustment layer. Or if you just want to do it real quick and you don't need to save the action for later use, it's actually quite simple. All we have to do is click and drag that adjustment layer, place it over the tab of the image we want to apply it to, release over the image, and presto. That adjustment layer has now been copied from one document to another. How cool is that? I love it. All right, so that's another quick and dirty little secret and tip on how to work with your layer adjustments. The other thing you can do, let's say we have another edit being applied via adjustment layers. We can make our adjustment. We can then grab both layers. Then with Command or Control and the letter G, we can group them, and then we can drag that over to our document as well. And now both of those edits are being applied versus just the one. So you could have 4, 5, 10, 20 different adjustment layers, group them, and then share them with other files fairly quickly if you don't want to go back and make an action out of all those edits that you created. Okay, so that's it for adjustment layers and layers in general. In the next section, we're going to learn how to crop, straighten, and use perspective controls in Photoshop to fix our images.